Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this REALME C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can turn on the speaker while on call on test device. So in order to do that, first of all you gotta dial somebody. I'll use the phone app for that. I will go ahead and dial some random number. And here while on the call, alright, this was not the right number to dial. And here while on call, all you gotta do is turn on this speaker mode. And after it turns gray, after the speaker icon turns gray, that means that the speaker has been successfully enabled, as you could hear. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!